KFC, good morning. May I help you?
Good morning, my name is Neti. I would like to order some food and drinks.
Alright, what is your order, Mrs.?
I will have fried chicken with rice and fried fries, please.
Okay, is there anything else?
Do you have Coca-Cola?
I'm so sorry, Mrs. We don't have Coca-Cola, but we have cappuccino. Would you like to order a cup of cappuccino, Mrs.?
Oh yes, please. I will have cappuccino large, please.
Alright, is there anything else?
Do you have the hamburger?
Yes, we have the beef burger and the chicken burger. What is your choice, Mrs.?
I prefer a chicken burger than a beef burger.
Alright, is there anything else?
No, thanks. That's enough.
Alright, I repeat your order of fried chicken with rice and a french fries, a large size of cappuccino and a chicken burger. Is correct, Mrs.?
Yes, how much the bill?
That will be $20, Mrs.
Okay.
May I have your phone number and your address, Mrs.?
My phone number is 082351443211 and my address is at Gajah Mada number 21.
Okay, I repeat your phone number is 082351443211 and your address is at Gajah Mada number 21. Is correct, Mrs.?
Yes, it is correct.
Alright, please wait 50 minutes. Your order will be delivered, miss.
Thanks.
You are welcome. Please enjoy your meal, Mrs.
I will.
Have a good day, Mrs.
Thank you.
Hello, good morning with the beauty company. How may I help you?
Good morning, I'm Narsih from beauty company. Can I change some beauty company context when the order of the item?
Of course, can I find order reason?
The head of our company warehouse has been replaced. I am the new head of the warehouse replacing Mrs. Sinta.
Can you mention the purchase order number so that I can check it in our company database?
Of course, the purchase order number is PO 101012.
Okay, ma'am. I've changed to pretty company's contact person. It is true, Mrs. Narsih?
No, my name is Narsih. Narsih.
Okay, sorry for the mistake. So with Mrs. Narsih, right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so the contact person in the name of Mrs. Sinta from the pretty company has been changed to Mrs. Narsih.
That's right.
Is there anything I can help, ma'am?
Almost forgot, our company also want to change its payment method from credit to cash. Can I?
Of course you can. So the purchase order number PO 101012 has been changed from credit to cash.
Okay, all done.
Incidentally, we have just launched some new beauty products from our company. It would like to offer you some of them.
Really? What are the new products?
We have matte lip cream, foundation, and sunblock. For now, we are giving a 10% discount. Are you interested, ma'am?
Foundation in our company, not too many people are interested. If I might know, what are the advantages?
Our foundation this time is long-lasting and is still stable for use on face that are often oily, and the color is very stable for Asian skin tones.
What about the other products?
For matte lip cream, it doesn't dry out lips, lasts long, doesn't fade easily, and is available for more than 16 colors. And for sunblock, we have improved this product itself so that when you use it on the body, it's not sticky and protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays.
Wow, so interesting. Very good. Can I get a sample of the product?
Of course, we will immediately send samples of each product to your company.
Good morning and thank you. Nice to work with you. I'm sorry to have taken so much of your time.
Good morning, you're welcome, ma'am. Of course not. Nice to work with you too.
Hello, good morning. This is Cahaya Hotel. May I help you?
Hello, good morning. I'm Nony Febrianti. I want to make a reservation.
Okay, Miss Nony. What type of room do you want?
A room with single bed, please.
A room single bed. Sorry, Miss Nony. Sea view of garden view.
One with sea view, please.
Okay, Miss Nony, your reservation is a room with single bed and sea view.
Okay, thank you. Good morning.
Good morning.